Okay, children. Previously we have learned how to do addition using abacus. Okay. Now it's time for you. Uh, group one come. Group one come. Do this addition. You also come. Do this. 36 plus 25. Change. Answer. ఇక్కడ నువ్వు ఇటు సైడ్ వచ్చి చూడు నువ్వు ఇటు సైడ్ ఉండి చెప్పు. Remaining groups also observe. Next what to do? Hey, don't talk, listen. Observe. Nikita, observe. Next. 2 tens. Right. Next, what to do next? Regroup. Regroup once. Listen. Hey Nikita, what are you doing? Ten. Okay, now right answer. 6 tens 60. Is it this once? So now right answer. 6. Okay, is it right, children? Well done, well done. Clap for group one, all of you. Well done, both, all of you. Well done. Okay. Next, group 2. Come, group 2. You come. Do this second problem. Come. First do 25 plus 15. You come. You observe. Okay, 5 ones over. Next, 2 tens. 20 plus 5, 25. Okay. Next, add 15. Once 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next, tens. Add 1 10. Next, what to do now? Count once these. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 ని రీగ్రూప్ చేయాలి కదా? తీసుకో. 10. What to do? 110 add in 30. In tens place. Okay. Now tell me the answer. 410. Is there any ones? No ones are there. So nothing. Nothing means 0. You write the answer. 4. So 40 is the right answer. So 25 plus 15 is 40. So well done. Class for second group. Well done. So you go. Okay. So next come third. Come to board third group. Third group. Okay. So what is 47 plus 20. So first show the 47 on the beads on the abacus. Show the 47. Okay. So it is one's place. Go.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes, 7. So over. 7 is short. Next. Next 4 tens. In tens place add 4 beads. Right. Zoom. Take zoom. Do zoom.
అయ్యో అంత అలాంటి లేదా అంత జూమ్ చేసిన
So already showed 47. So 4 tens 40, 7 ones 7, 47. So next next, Ray, you move back, move right side, you move right side. Okay. Next what to do? 26 add to 47. Okay. 6 ones add to 7. Add 6.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes. Next 2 tens. Add 2 tens in tens place.
2.
Tens place.
సార్ ఇది పోతున్నా సార్
చిన్న next what to do now? Regrouping. Do regrouping. 4, 5. And then how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. Okay. Do we give tens? So 10 means 1. Add 1 bead in tens place. Okay. Now right answer. Say the answer. 3 ones. Hey. 10 CV. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens how much? 70. 70 plus 3?
73.
Okay, you write the answer. 73. Children, is it right?
రైట్ సార్
Okay, very good. Class for group start. Okay, go. Okay, children, all of you done very perfectly. Clap for you, yourself, all of you. Well. Stop there.